Hey bio team, I've got a picture of a nucleotide that is a monomer of a DNA strand with its phosphate, its sugar, and its nitrogen base. And there's a couple of things I want to point out about the way that it's drawn. The first thing I want to draw attention to is the fact that some of these corners in the structure aren't labeled with elements. Each one of those is a carbon. So we'll fill these in here momentarily. So you can see that this is kind of crowded, so to save time, chemists and biologists will just leave those out. Now, if you can think back to chemistry, you'll remember that carbon has normally 4 bonding groups because it has 4 unpaired valence electrons. And so in the carbon that we're looking at right here, you can actually see those 4 bonding groups. 1, 2, 3, and 4. However, what you'll notice is that some of these unlabeled carbons don't have 4 bonding groups shown. You can see that this carbon, this corner right here representing the carbon, is bonded to an oxygen and 1 other carbon. So it only has 2 out of 4 of its bonding groups shown. The other 2 bonding groups, the unshowed bonding groups, are hydrogen atoms. And again, chemists and biologists will generally leave these out just to save time. And last, in order for biologists to describe which side of the nucleotide they're talking about, they'll actually label the carbons that are found in this central sugar. So the carbon closest to the nitrogen base is the 1' carbon, all the way to the carbon that is furthest away from the nitrogen base is the 5' carbon. And out of these, you'll generally hear the 5' carbon and the 3' carbon mentioned, because those are the 2 ends that bond this nucleotide to other nucleotides. And that's it. At this point, you guys have some practice problems. We'll see you next class.